Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video because of the title. I'm over social media and it's kind of ironic because I'm posting here on social media, but I just want to share a little bit of my journey in 2022 about me. I mean, it's my channel and I feel like I've shared my life on my channel for so long. I don't think I've really grasped how much my life has changed since I've started this channel, all because of social media. And I know I haven't been as active in posting and I haven't been as engaged. You know, the algorithm has changed. Influencers in the space, content creators are finding that Instagram isn't, you know, as favorable. You know, you have to be a TikToker now, you have to get views. And I think I came on YouTube here to like express myself and really authentically share with you, you know, me. And I feel like I want to continue to do that. It's kind of sad when I thought about the idea of me being over social media. It was kind of sad because that was like how I started. And then when I think about where I am now, it's because I have a freaking brand. And I think this is gonna be a vlog. I want to share with you my life. I want to share with you what makes me happy. I'm able to have a brand to call my own with amazing team members on it that help me thrive and be myself creatively. I get to be a boss. I get to be proud of the things that I create for all of you guys. In less than 2 years, you know, we're still less than 2 years old. My brand One Size, we're in Sephora's in US and Canada, every single store. We're in Southeast Asia in 7 countries, and we're looking to expand in Europe and Latin America. There's a lot of like, you know, conversations that we have to have, but my business has expanded so beyond my wildest dreams. And that's why I've fallen out of love with social media. So yeah, this is gonna be a vlog of behind the scenes of what actually has been making me happy. And I mean, you guys know the drill. And I hope I can continue to inspire you and share my life with you and my journey here because of all of you. If you guys are watching and have a dream or have a goal, no matter how old or young you are, I want you guys to know you're special, you're amazing, and life opens up when you do. And that's what I'm here to remind myself, is to continue to be vulnerable for you guys. I'm not leaving social media, but I want to just share what I'm working on now. And if you guys don't see me as present, it's because I'm doing a bunch of other things. Like my days and my hours are so occupied. I'm older now, things are different. I'm still gonna be fucking glam, bitch, you best believe. But I just want to share this message with you, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Hey everyone! Oh my gosh, this is so heavy to carry. Hey guys!
It's a tripod.
I know, but like you need to like get the view. Hey everyone, it's Paul Script, the other brother of Patrick.
Don't say Paul Script.
He's the other brother.
Hey everyone, it's Paul. We're here in the studio, and I'm currently taping flags right now for the shoot tomorrow. So. And yeah, we're gonna add some stuff on here, and it'll be ready. We love color guard. That already feels
That
great.
is so fun!
No, then you can look at the...
No, because we're gonna move this over.
Oh, okay.
I think it looks good. Just on it.
Okay.
This is what we're making.
Okay, Patrick's reveal. Okay, come inside.
Looks so cool.
We love it.
Alright guys, here we are. This is why I do what I do. We're here on set for the BBB photo shoot and campaign and commercial. Again, like I said before, I just want to do what I love, and this is like not a departure, but a nice transition into something that I've really worked hard for, that I've wanted to do. And I think the pandemic, not for just me, has inspired so many people to do their own thing, and this is just a part of who I am now, is this brand. And I'm not dedicated to Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, social media like I was before as much. So I'm excited to take you guys on another vlog just to show you guys. I want to try to be more intimate in my vlogs for you. So here we are at the studio. Peter's here. and let's enjoy the day. We're negative on our COVID test, by the way.
But you work in Manhattan, said you came to be an actor, but maybe you'll start rapping. Hey, yo.
Alright guys, here we are in the dressing room. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the studio, but look at this view. So cute. And then we're on the second floor, and then here is the dressing room. We have like my makeup set up here. We have a living space over here, and you know what, you guys, it's literally not always the case that we have such a big space. If you know, you know. This is very nice. And also downstairs, there's beautiful hair, there's beautiful makeup. I have an amazing team. There's 3 makeup artists. Be sure to follow them, please, on social media. There's also hairstylists today. Be sure to follow them. I just love, at this point in my life, that I'm able to work with people that I trust and that I support and that are really, really talented, to give them, you know, a space to express themselves and be a part of my brand. And I never thought in a million years that this would be the case, but here we are. And if you guys are makeup artists or hairstylists, put your links down below. You could be working here. If you guys want to be a model, we have amazing models today. I cast through social media. I don't really go through agencies with my team because the one that casts real people. So if you're an aspiring model, hairstylist, makeup artist, put your handle down below, your Instagram, and I'll be sure to check it out. So we're gonna get glam, we're gonna get ready, we're gonna do some before shots. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And by the way, guys, we don't retouch our photos in Sephora. So we're gonna get that just together, and we'll see you in our first look. Ooh, this is a good background. Yes, B-roll. Yes, B-roll. Okay, guys, so this is my outfit. It's very gorgeous, literally by Perry Meek, and I have like a bodysuit slash gown cape situation just because I cannot be like the other dancers up in here. But my turban is so huge. This is what it's giving, but this fabric is for the other part of the outfit. But we're doing like before shots. And I said, let's just do this fabric only for the before shots because we're trying to get before of the skin. And if you guys see, I've been working hard on my skin. Be sure to check out my chemical peel vlog. And maybe I'll do an updated skincare routine because it's just been doing too much. But they're working on creating a turban over there. Oh, and also, let me show you who's on set today. We have Ronnie. We have Jessie. We have Miss Georges.
You're so hateful.
We have who is she? Come on. Miss Lady Camden.
No,
You're
I'm more like Angeria.
No,
okay, I'm more like
I'm
Angeria.
Angeria. Miss Lady
You give me
Camden.
Alyssa Hunter. Vote it off.
That's
I
your
actually love her
people.
though. I do love her.
Cut that out, Des. This is Miss Lady Camden. We love her.
And we got cornbread.
Cornbread.
She's my favorite. She's my favorite, to be honest. I wish I was cornbread.
We have Sheila over here. Who's Sheila? Sheila is
Bosco.
Who's Bosco? Bosco's good.
Yeah.
Bosco's good.
I
A good
wish
drag
I
queen.
was Bosco.
Oh, by the way, Sheila has never watched Drag Race. Which season did you watch?
I watched season 5.
Season
I was
5.
rooting for Jinx.
Yeah, she's rooting for Jinx. And Fabian said it's a must if you work on Team Star. You have
be Willow Pill.
Willow Pill's in the lead, okay? By the way, Ariana Grande messaged me and she's in love with Miss Willow Pillow. I know it's Willow Pill, by the way. Don't hate me. Let's get this turban on and then we'll be done.
Come on, Peter.
I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming on the dance floor. I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming on the dance floor. Tell me you still remember. One day we'll be together.
tell you, this is such an incredible day. We're so busy. It's our first launch of the year. We're launching in 2 weeks. We've scrambled to get all of our inventory into stores. It's like such a workhorse to work with people, new people, you know, people virtually, a whole team. And here we are. It's red, it's fabulous. And I'm so excited because all the models are so gorgeous, so diverse. And like I said earlier, we love casting people that are different. That's my head. And also, that's my head.
That's your head?
Yes.
Okay.
Anyways, so child, so Paul, my brother, flew all the way from Orlando here to choreograph some flag work because this is inspired by our Turn Up the Base franchise. It's our complexion franchise. We're launching a beauty blur balm. I'm so excited for you guys to try it. And it's an extension of the Turn Up the Base family. Turn Up the Base powder, Turn Up the Base concealer, now Turn Up the Base BBB cream, beauty blurring balm. We are minutes away from getting on set. Perry did the outfit so beautifully. And we're about to jump on and shoot this shit, okay? Alright guys, that is the end of the shoot. Alright guys, what an amazing day. I got to shoot the BBB campaign. If you guys haven't already seen it, we launched a beauty blur balm. We did the photo shoot. I got to approve the lines in the copy. I got to approve the renderings and the CGI that we're getting designed. We have an actual photo shoot for tomorrow to update our visual merchandising. And we're gonna shoot half face of me and half face of like new items that are coming out later this year. But this is my life, and I at first I was ashamed to talk about my social media and my decline on social media, but I don't see any decline. I see just gains and a more mature me, a more expressive me, a more adult side of me, and I'm excited to share that with you. I'm still gonna be like Patrick fucking Starrr batch. I still think I'm fun. I still feel like I love to kiki and have a good old time, but you know, I'm an adult now, and this is just me. I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to follow me on social media. I post on stories every day. A Snapchat, I'm trying to post more, but most of all, I want to come back here on YouTube in 2022 to connect with you and further develop a relationship with you, because I feel like in working on this brand for the past few years has really taken a lot of time away from here, and I'm glad to be back here with all of you. And I just want to say I love you guys so much. Life opens up when you do. Let's spread more love for everyone, but also for yourself. Treat yourself with kindness, operate through kindness, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.